Okay, let us learn creating and developing virtual environment using Python. How to create and develop Python virtual environment. So we have to open command prompt, and in the command prompt you have to move to the folder where you want to virtual environment. Suppose I want to make an environment in the desktop, so I will write cd desktop, means change directory to the desktop. Okay, and on this desktop I want to create a virtual environment. So I will have to install, first of all, install virtual environment. For that there is a command pip install virtual env. This command for what? For installing the virtual environment. And if it is already installed on my computer, it will say that it is already installed. Let us see. As you can see that requirement already satisfied, because I have already installed it in some previous commands. So our next command will be to use this virtual environment which we have already installed. So vir virtual env1. So when I issue this command, one env1 folder will be created on my current folder, that is desktop. As you can see that virtual environment 1 has created environment 1. You can see this on the desktop also. This is the folder, it has been created env1. So and we will see that what is inside. So librarian script, some file also created by this. Let's move on. Change directory to the script. So cd env1. First of all, change directory to the env1. Okay, next move to cd scripts. We have to write this command, script folder. So this is our scripts folder. Okay, and in this folder we will create a command. We will also run a command activate. Activate is a batch file. Okay, so that the script will be activated. Enter activate. So this command is run. Now this, in this virtual environment which we have activated, now in this virtual environment we have to install Django. So we will write pip install Django and press enter. As you can see, the installation has been done perfectly. The Django has been installed. Now we will issue the command Django-admin start project website 1. Suppose website 1, and we will press enter. Now you see that a new folder it is created, website 1. So move into it, cd website 1 and press enter. Now we will use the Python command, python manage.py. You can see that it is inside this folder, python manage.py, run server and press enter. And you can see that it is now saying that starting development server at 127.0.188,000. Quit the server, control plus break. So now that means if we open the Google Chrome and we will write this address here, the local host 127.0.0.1:8000, and you can see that the install worked successfully. It says that the Django has been installed perfectly. So now your computer is become a web server, and basically you have created a virtual environment env1 and your website is running from it, and this is your prompt. So thank you for watching this class, and you learn about creating virtual environment and installing Django and running the web server.